How to combine PDF in Foxit Reader. Now you can do this by using the editor version of your Foxit, and it's gonna have a subscription. Right now we're using a trial, but we can still show you where you can do this. So it's going to be done here in the convert section, and then by pressing the combine files. Another way is going here to your files, and then you're gonna go ahead to create, and then just press on combine files. What you're gonna do now is press on the combine files option and just add your files. So we've already chosen our files. You can choose as much as you want apparently, and then just go ahead and press on combine. Then just go ahead and press on yes, like so, and that's pretty much it. That's how you combine your PDFs using your Foxit. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.